In every era, queens have ruled hearts, lands, and legacies. But today, we rise into a new realm where African beauty meets artificial intelligence. Welcome to AfriBeauty Tech, AI Queens of the Diaspora, a celebration of our roots reborn through technology. These queens are more than art, they are echoes of ancestry, reimagined through the power of AI. First, we have Nubian Cyber Queen. She rises from the golden sands of Nubia, her armor gleaming with digital circuits, a guardian of heritage and innovation. Her crown pulses with light, her gaze commands the future. She is the Nubian Cyber Queen, timeless, eternal, and unstoppable. Then we have Afro-Futurist Zulu Empress. From the heart of Southern Africa emerges the Afro-Futurist Zulu Empress. Her armor is woven from light and beadwork, her presence electric with strength and pride. In her reflection, the past and future dance as one. Third, we have Yoruba Tech Priestess. In the sacred halls of Ife, she whispers ancient wisdom through algorithms. Her robe shimmers with digital energy. Her cowrie crown glows like the Orishas themselves. She is the Yoruba Tech Priestess, where spirituality meets circuitry. Fourth, we have Caribbean Afro Queen of the Future. Across the Caribbean seas, a new queen rises, radiant as sunrise on the water. Her melanin glows like starlight. Her laughter powers the tide of creation. The Caribbean Afro Queen of the Future, bold, joyful, limitless. Fifth, we have Afro Samurai Queen. She blends the spirit of Africa with the discipline of the East. Her kente armor hums with energy. Her blade remembers every ancestor's name. The Afro Samurai Queen, grace, power, and balance in motion. Then we have Ethiopian Solar Monarch. Bathed in sunlight, she ascends, the Ethiopian Solar Monarch. Her beauty fills stars. Her vision ignites empires. She stands where heaven meets horizon, a symbol of divine brilliance. Seventh, we have Haitian Spirit Tech Queen. In the realm between code and spirit, the Haitian Spirit Tech Queen commands both energy and ancestry. Her power is unseen, yet felt in every pulse of light, a reminder that spirit and science are one. Number 8, we have Afro-Brazilian AI Samba Queen. Rhythm meets robotics in the heart of Rio. Her laughter lights up the night. The Afro-Brazilian AI Samba Queen dances not just for celebration, but for connection, showing that joy itself is divine technology. Number 9, we have Kenyan Desert AI Queen. Across the glowing dunes, she walks with wisdom. Her beadwork reflects data streams of heritage. Her heartbeat sings with the rhythm of the land. The Kenyan Desert AI Queen, grounded in legacy, lifted by innovation. Lastly, we have African Galactic Queen of Unity. And from the stars above, the African Galactic Queen of Unity reigns. Her robe is woven from every nation, her crown a constellation of stories. She embodies what we have always been, connected, infinite, divine. These are not just AI creations. They are visions of what we become when heritage meets technology, when art meets purpose, when Africa dreams beyond the stars. This is AfriBeauty Tech, the AI Queens of the Diaspora, and our story has just begun.